Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by signing into Icloud, Calm, or the Find My app with your Apple ID. This is mandatory because it authorizes location requests. Once done, make sure Find My was enabled on the missing iPhone. If not, remote locating is impossible. Use a second device or a computer to avoid losing access to your account. Also check the phone's battery and network status. A powered, connected device reports location. Now proceed to locate the device using the Find My interface. You authenticate and immediately pick the missing iPhone from the device list. This loads its last reported position on the map. If the device is online, you'll see a live location with a timestamp. If offline, you'll see the last known location and an offline indicator. Next, use Play Sound to trigger an audible alert, choose directions to navigate there, or activate Mark as Lost to Lock and display a message. These actions both help recovery and secure your data while you move to the next step. You now decide. Recover the phone in person if the map and sound pinpoint it, but approach safely and avoid confrontation. Once at the location, use directions, then play sound to locate it precisely. If you can't retrieve it, immediately enable Mark as Lost to lock the device and show contact info. Only use Erase iPhone if recovery is impossible because Erase removes location capability. If location isn't updating, make sure the device had network access. Verify iCloud status and sign out.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.